Students, this is the class for 8th standard science subject and physics. Our third lesson is forces and pressure. Okay, in last class we have seen the definition of force and also the definition of thrust, then what is mean by pressure, then as a unit of pressure and the formula for pressure, and also we have to do one problem by using the pressure formula. Okay, so to continue that lesson, now we are going to learn about the increasing pressure. Okay, in name itself we have learnt about to increase the pressure. Okay, so what are the methods that will be used for increase the pressure? Okay, so the effect of pressure can be increased by increasing the thrust or okay, so the effect of pressure can be increased by increasing the thrust. Thrust means it refers to the force. Okay, already we know that what is the formula for pressure? P is equal to force by unit area. Okay, so we have to increase the pressure means okay, we have to increase the force also. Okay, so increase the pressure means we have to increase the force and decrease the area, because these two terms are cross terms. Okay, so this one is the numerator, okay, same term, and this one is the denominator, cross term. Okay, so the pressure will be increased means force also will be increased, and at that time the area will be decreased. Okay, so the effect of the pressure can be increased by increasing the thrust or by decreasing the area of the surface of the body by experiencing the thrust. Okay, then example, the knife, the axe, nail, injection needle, bullet are the example for increasing the pressure on the short surface area. These are means what? A knife, the axe, nail, injection needle, bullet are have the sharp edge. Okay, sharp fine edges, so as to exert a large pressure on a smaller area. Okay, if we take the example of a injection needle means the large pressure is applied on a smaller area of our hand. Okay, to put the injection means they are applying, okay, they are means the doctor or the nurses, okay, are applying larger pressure on the smaller area of the contact, smaller area of our hand. Okay, so in order to get the maximum effect from them, okay, so here the large pressure is applied on a smaller area in order to get the maximum effect of them. Okay, it's very difficult to walk on sand. Okay, மணல்ல நடக்கிறது எப்படி இருக்கும், ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். Whereas camels can walk easily on it. Okay, camels can walk easily because they have a large padded feet. Okay, they have a large padded feet, so that it can be easily walking on the sand. Okay, which increase the area of the contact with the sandy ground. This reduces the pressure and enables them to walk easily on the sand. Okay, so by using of the large padded feet, it's easily walking on the sand. Okay, then examples, more number of wheels are provided for a heavy good carriers. Okay, that we know, more number of, for heavy good carriers there will be a more number of wheels. Okay, by using this, the decreasing the pressure, thereby increasing the area of the contact on the road, they will be easily move on the road. Okay, so the second example is broadened straps are provided on a back side of the bag. Okay, our school bag. Okay, back side there is a strapper. No, okay, so that straps is very broader for giving a low pressure on the shoulders, for giving a low pressure on the shoulders by providing a larger area of the contact with the shoulder. Okay, so broader straps that is used for providing a large area of the shoulder. Okay, then it's difficult to drive on automobile which has the flattened tires. Okay, it's very difficult to drive on automobiles. Automobiles means like a car or bike which has the flattened tires. Okay, the next one is pressure exerted by the air. Okay, pressure exerted by the air, that phenomena is known as atmospheric pressure. Okay, so what is mean by atmospheric pressure? We all know that the air fills the space all around us. Okay, so the air is everywhere. Okay, that we all are around us. Okay, so this envelope of air is called atmosphere. Okay, so this huge envelope of air, okay, huge envelope of air is called as atmosphere. This atmosphere extends up to many kilometers above the earth, above the surface of the earth. Okay, so above the surface of the earth, the atmosphere is extend up to many kilometers. All objects on the surface of the earth experience the thrust. Okay, so which are all the objects that is present on the surface of the earth experience some thrust or force, okay, due to its atmosphere. Okay, so because of the atmosphere, the object which is present on the earth will experience some thrust or force. Okay, next one is we are going to learn about the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so what is mean by atmospheric pressure? The amount of force or the amount of weight of the atmospheric air. Okay, so atmospheric air oda amount of force or amount of weight that acts downward to the earth on unit surface area of the surface of the earth. Okay, so that is known as the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so the amount of force or weight of the atmospheric air that acts downward on the unit surface area of the surface of the earth. எங்க ஆக்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா surface of the earthல ஆக்ட் பண்ணுது. Okay, so that is known as the atmospheric pressure. This atmospheric pressure can be measured by the device using the device called barometer. Okay, so barometer is a device which is used for measure the atmospheric pressure. Okay, normally the pressure is measured by the device called barometer. Okay, so similarly the atmospheric pressure is also measured by the device called barometer. Okay, so this barometer was invented by who means Torricelli. Okay, Torricelli invented the barometer. Okay, so the atmospheric pressure decreased with the altitude from the surface of the earth. Okay, so as we are going below the earth or above the earth surface, the atmospheric pressure will be decreased. Okay, whether it's above the earth or below the earth, the atmospheric pressure will be decreased. Okay, so this atmospheric pressure can be measured by the height of the mercury column in your barometer. Okay, so in the case of your barometer, there is one liquid filled with barometer. Okay, so that liquid is called as mercury liquid. Okay, so by using the height of the mercury column of your barometer, okay, the atmospheric pressure will be measured. At sea level, the height of the mercury column is around 76 centimeter or 760 millimeter. At the sea level means கடல் மேற்பரப்புன்னு சொல்வோம். Okay, so at sea level, the value of the height of the mercury column is around 76 centimeter or 760 millimeter. Okay students, thank you.